Alright guys, so back again with another packing order video. This customer ordered off of our November sale that we have going on at gunpla.com from the 15th of November until November 22nd. $10 off every $100 spent on your entire order. Alright, so remember that's stacking, so that's $10 off on 100, $20 off on 200, and so on. So this order was for 3 model kits, high grade Barbatos and Barbatos Lupus Rex. So we have one more Barbatos left. Set up these model kits in stock. SD wing. That's the wing, and hobby nipper yellow. Great.